Here's an art puzzle that feels impossible but is secretly related to some deep math. Try creating a picture that has at least 3 colors so that any point that's on the boundary of one color is on the boundary of all of them. So, for example, in this diagram with red, green, and blue, the middle point is on the boundary of all 3 colors, so it's fine, but this whole line of points here is disallowed, since they're all on the boundary of red and green, but not blue. Likewise, these other 2 border lines are disallowed. So maybe you try to correct that, you go and add a bunch of blue blobs on the boundary of the red and green, and do something similar on the other border lines. But now the smaller boundaries of those blobs would cause a problem, so maybe you try to correct that even further and keep iterating and iterating. This might feel impossible, and with smooth shapes it is, but there are actually infinitely many solutions. One example is a family of figures known as Newton fractals. What's very fun is that the diagrams are closely tied to a kind of chaos, a chaos that emerges from a common algorithm that's used all over the place in engineering to find numerical solutions